Sermon number 164. Dialogue with Osman bin Affan. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. The people are behind me and they have made me an ambassador between you and themselves, but by Allah, I do not know what to say to you. I know nothing, in this matter, which you do not know, nor can I lead you to any matter of which you are not aware. You certainly know what we know. We have not come to know anything before you which we could tell you, nor did we learn anything in secret which we should convey to you. You have seen as we have seen and you have heard as we have heard. You sat in the company of the Prophet of Allah as we did. Abu Bakr ibn Abi Quhafa and Omar ibn Khattab were no more responsible for acting righteously than you, since you are nearer than both of them to the Prophet of Allah through kinship, and you also hold relationship to him by marriage which they do not hold. Then, fear Allah in your own self, for, by Allah, you are not being shown anything as if you are blind or being apprised of anything as if you are ignorant. The ways are clear while the banners of faith are fixed. You should know that among the creatures of Allah, the most distinguished person before Allah is the just Imam who has been guided by Allah, and guides others. So, he stands by the recognized ways of the Prophet's behavior and destroys unrecognized innovations. The Prophet's ways are clear and they have signs, while innovations are also clear and they too have signs. Certainly, the worst man before Allah is the oppressive Imam who has gone astray and through whom others go astray. He destroys the accepted sunnah and revives abandoned innovations. I heard the Messenger of Allah saying, on the day of judgment the oppressive Imam will be brought without anyone to support him or anyone to advance excuses on his behalf, and then he will be thrown into hell where he will rotate as the handmill rotates, then, eventually, he will be confined to its hollow. I swear to you by Allah that you should not be the Imam of the people who will be killed, because it has been said that an Imam of this people will be killed, after which killing and fighting will be made open for them till the day of judgment, and he will confuse their matters, and spread troubles over them. As a result, they will not discern truth from wrong. They will oscillate like waves and would be utterly misled. You should not behave as the carrying beast for Marwan so that he may drag you wherever he likes, despite your seniority of age and length of life. Then Osman said to Amir al-Mu'mineen, speak to the people to give me time until I redress their grievances. Amir al-Mu'mineen then said, so far as Medina is concerned, here is no question of time. As for remoter areas, you can have the time needed for your order to reach there.